Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 1985. Find the kth largest integer in the array. This is the problem which is asked very recently in a contest in Leetcode. So you are given an array of string nums and an integer k. Each string in nums represent an integer without leading zeros. Return the string that represent the kth largest integer in nums. Duplicate numbers should be counted distinctly. For example, if nums is 1, 2, 2, 2 is the first largest integer and the another 2 is the second largest integer and 1 is the third largest integer. So in case of duplicates we should count them distinct numbers. That's what they are saying. I just copied this example here for our discussion. We have been given a array of numbers, so it's not like in any sorted order or anything. It's just an array of numbers and it may have duplicate numbers also. And we have been asked to find out the kth largest element. For example, here uh, this one is already in a sorted order, but if it is not but it's not mandatory, they might give us any unsorted array also. So if let's say for example k is equal to 1, then 10 is the first largest number, right? So we will return 10 in the case if k is equal to 1, right? If k is equal to 2, we will return 7 because 7 is the second largest number. If k is equal to 3, we will return the 6, which is the third largest number in this array. And what the condition they have given us is k is equal to 4, so we are going to return 3 because 3 is the fourth largest number in the array. If you sort this array, 3 is the fourth largest number, and that's why we will return 3 here. So we are going to solve this problem by using a priority queue. So priority queue is a it's basically keep numbers in sorted increasing order. So when we take a priority queue and whenever we insert elements into the queue, automatically it maintains the increasing order of the elements. So that is what the priority queue is for, and its time complexity is n log n, because it will keep the sorted order. So its complexity is n log n for that. So let's just consider this example for the priority queue approach. So as we are seeing elements, we will read the elements in the array one by one and we will put it in the priority queue. So we read first element 3, we put it in priority queue. We read second element in 6, we put it in priority queue. So 7 again here and 10 again here. So as you see, the elements are automatically in a sorted order in the priority queue. So this one is the front of the queue, so this side is the front of the queue, and this side is the rear of the queue, so which is the rear entry for the queue. So this is called as the rear side and this is front side. So whenever after we are done with inserting all the elements, we will start reading the polling the numbers from the queue. So if we are asked, let's say k is equal to 4 in this case, so we will count the size of the array. So the array size is equal to 4, right? So this is the array size, so we will subtract the k from the array size. So we will subtract 4 minus 4 and then we will add 1 actually in this case actually. So basically we are saying that give me the first element or first number from the priority queue. So it will just poll the first element here and we will get 3 in this case, right? So if let's say k is equal to 2, let's say k is equal, sorry, if k is equal to 3 is given, then again we will use the same thing, like number of elements in the array, which is 4 minus, we will subtract k 3 and we will add 1 in it. So it means that we are looking at the second element. So we will poll first element 3 and then we will poll second element 6. So if k is equal to 3, then our answer will be 6 in that case. So this is the priority queue implementation for the finding kth largest integer array. So let's just look at the implementation quickly. So first I actually took a length of the array in as a n variable, and then I took a priority queue. One thing I also wanted to mention is, since the nums is an array of strings, the number can be very big. So we are using a big integer here to avoid any kind of overflow or anything. So we will be like reading the whole array here, and we are offering all the numbers here into the priority queue. And as I was explaining the logic of n minus k plus 1, we will use as a limit. So I is equal to 0, and we will loop through the queue and we will poll the elements into a variable called as number. So if we are looking like the last element, we will just look the first element only. What we get from priority queue is the basically last element in the sorted array. So that's how it works. So we just return a number dot toString so that we can convert the big integer into the string, because our return type is string here. So I created the test case that is given to us. So this is another test case actually. So here let me copy the one that they gave us, and then we will discuss the another also. So this one is the first test case that we discussed in the example. So here we are counting 4, right? So third will be the answer, because third is the fourth largest element in this array. And if you look at this second array, then if you sort this array, then the sorted array will be like a 2 4 8 10 12 12. So if you count the fifth element, so 12 12 10 8 and 4 will be the fifth element. So let's just give it a run. Okay, so as you see, third is the fourth largest element in this array, and as you see, 4 is the fifth largest element in the array. This is a test case I counted for like duplicate elements. So both are working fine. So let me submit this solution. Yeah, so it's got accepted, and let's just look at details. So as you see, it passed all the 219 test cases. So I hope you like the solution of finding the kth largest integer in the array using priority queue. So if you like my solution, please consider subscribing to the channel and hit the like button and the bell icon, so you will get the notifications. I often post my solutions to the Leetcode problems and some other Java related practical solutions. So if you are interested in this Java J2EE related things, then please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.